Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 38 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question number code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. Observe the map of Jaipur city placed on a Cartesian plane, taking Rambagh Palace as origin. Where is this point? The location of some places are given below. Point A is Rajasthan High Court, this one. Point B is Birla Mandir. Point C is Hirabag. Point D is Amar Jawan Jyoti. Based on the above, answer the following questions. Question 1. Advocate Rehana stays at Hirabag. How much distance she has to cover daily to go to the court and coming back home? Hirabag is at C and the court is at A. So she has to travel the distance AC twice, assuming that she is taking the same path during the up journey and the down journey. The distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here let's take A as x1, y1 and Hirabag's coordinates C, that is 4, 3 as x2, y2. So the distance CA is root of 4 minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 2 the whole square, that is root 65. Now the total distance traveled is equal to twice this distance, which is 2 root 65 units. Question 2. There is a crossing on x-axis which divides AD in a certain ratio. Find the ratio. This is AD and crossing on x-axis means that's a point on x-axis. So let us consider this crossing on x-axis as point P whose coordinates are x, 0. Since the point is on x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. The question says this point P divides AD in a certain ratio. The coordinates of A is minus 4, 2 and the coordinates of D is minus 5, minus 2. The section formula is P of x, y equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus 1. The first one is the x coordinate of the point which divides, and the second one is the y coordinate of the point which divides. In this case, now we know the y coordinate of the point which divides, that is 0. my2 plus ny1 by m plus n is equal to 0. y2 is minus 2, so minus 2m plus y1 is 2. 2n upon m plus n equal to 0, that is m by n is equal to 1 by 1, which implies m is to n equal to 1 is to 1. This implies that P divides AD in the ratio 1 is to 1, which means that P is the midpoint of AD. That is, the crossing is midway between A and D. Question 3 part A. Is Birla Mandir equidistant from Hirabag and Amar Jawan Jyoti? Birla Mandir is represented by the point B and Hirabag is represented by the point C. Amar Jawan Jyoti is point D. So the question is asking if this distance BC is equal to BD. B is 4, minus 4 and C is 4, 3. That is Birla Mandir to Hirabag. The next one is B to D. B is 4, minus 4 and the coordinates of D is minus 5, minus 2. We have to calculate the distance BC and BD and check whether they are equal or not. BC is equal to square root of 4 minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 4 the whole square, that is root 49, which is 7 units. BD is equal to root of minus 5 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 4 the whole square, which is root 89. BD is not equal to BC. Therefore, B is not equidistant from C and D. B part of the third question. Using section formula, show that points A, O, B are not collinear. Let's take down the coordinates of the points given. A is minus 4, 2. O is the origin 0, 0. And B is 4, minus 4. Now we have to use the section formula to prove that the points are not collinear. Assume that this point O divides the line in the ratio m is to n with the x coordinate. Let's get the ratio m is to n. Using that m is to n, let's try to get the y coordinate of this 0. If that y coordinate that we calculate matches with the 0 here, then AOB is a line, else it is not. By the section formula, O is equal to m times 4 plus n times minus 4 by m plus n. And the y coordinate is m times minus 4 plus n times 2 upon m plus n, which is 4m minus 4n upon m plus n minus 4m plus 2n by m plus n. As discussed already, let's take the x coordinate and equate it to 0. M by n is 1 by 1. That means m is to n is 1 is to 1. Substituting m is to n in y coordinate. Y coordinate is minus 4m plus 2n upon m plus n, which is minus 4 plus 2 upon 1 plus 1, that is minus 1. But the y coordinate of the origin is 0. This is not equal to y coordinate of origin. This implies A, O, B are not collinear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.